but now that I'm with... Oh! This is a very bad position here. His arm is trapped on the other side.
बहुत बढ़िया.
That's a nice right hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Dore Stojanovic!
केज की तरफ अपना रुख करते हुए सर्बिया के जॉर्जी स्टोयानोविच. Especially with the knees. Over to Jared.
And his opponent, making his way to the cage, Sahil Rana!
There he is, Sahil Rana, who is coming off a unanimous decision victory over Anas Sheikh from MFN 11.
He showed a good outing against, he's got a lot of experience, even though against Clinton was in a different division. But against Anas Sheikh, he proved that he was a very, very good fighter. He's got great grappling skills. Just 22 and 24 years of age. Huge height difference, a height advantage for Sahil Rana. Both weighed in approximately the same weight, and it's going to be a scrap of epic proportions, according to Mr. Rahul here. Let's quickly go inside the cage with Jared Kyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. His professional record, 6 wins, 3 losses, 1 no contest. He weighed in at 61 kilograms, fighting out of Theo Gene's MMA fighting team, representing Serbia. Make some noise for the Serbian Wolf, Jorge Stojanovic! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, his professional record, 7 wins, 1 loss. He weighed in at 61.65 kilograms, fighting out of Soma Fight Club, representing India. Make some noise for Sahil Rana! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Herb Dean.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're going to keep it clean. Touch gloves, let's do it.
And you can see that the MMA fans are improving. Their knowledge has improved so much. People were cheering guard passes and submission attempts as opposed to, you know, a couple of years ago when they had no idea what was going on.
He was just cheering for the punches.
Yeah, he was waiting for the knockouts. Georgi Stojanovic, though, kick-heavy attack, as he proved in his earlier fights, is going to be looking to establish the same range. He's going to set it up with those kicks. More importantly, he needs to stay patient.
Absolutely, Stojanovic immediately taking the center of the octagon against Rana. Serbia versus India.
Results in a shot. It's not straight to the ground.
अर्जुन कल जो फेस ऑफ्स थे वहां पे इन दोनों का बहुत ही इंटेंस फेस ऑफ हुआ. दोनों ने एक अल्फाज नहीं बोला, बस आंखों ही आंखों में बातें करते रहे और बोलते रहे कि केज में उतरेंगे तो दिखाएंगे किसमें कितना है दम. या तो होगा विजय हिंदुस्तान या फिर सर्बिया.
Were you trying to sing Aakho Hi Aakho Mein Ishara Kar Diya? I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. You guys are so filmy.
Yeah, Rahul is a poet when he's on the mic in Hindi.
No. I feel like I cannot speak Hindi anymore.
You know, I thought that I would be speaking a bit in Hindi, but now that I'm with... Oh!
Very nice. No, that was a slip. It was a slip. Both fighters tried to kick at the same moment, but good kick by Stojanovic. And this lapse in concentration and the slip has caused Stojanovic to get straight into guard now, which is an advantageous position for him on the ground.
Well, he's on the top, and another thing to note, Tane and Arjun, is that Sahil has been recovering from a right hand injury. So,
that's important to know. We'll see. We keep an eye out to see how much it affects him. But right now, Stojanovic doing a very, very good job. It's funny, he turned him away from the cage, where he could have used him to push him up against the cage and land some ground and pound. But he's probably working towards a transition here of some sort. Passes guard. Good butterflies by...
Good scramble.
Very
Great
good
work
scramble.
there by Sahil.
Very nicely done. Very, very nicely done by Sahil Rana. But look at this omoplata attempt by the Serbian. He tried to put his right leg over the shoulder.
That's the beauty of 10th Planet. A lot of go-go platas, a lot of omoplatas.
I love the omoplata, and it's that's why when we talked about Stojanovic, it's jiu-jitsu suited for MMA. It's not competition jiu-jitsu just necessarily, and he's such a master at applying that with the overall game of wrestling and grappling and striking. Now let's see, it'll be interesting to see what kind of guard he holds. He's got butterflies on the right hand side. He can elevate his hips and look to turn him, but he doesn't have an underhook on the right hand side of Sahil Rana. So far, Rana doing a very good job of staying slightly postured up. In T position here, he's going to look to land some ground pound, but good control on the right hand side by Stojanovic. He's got his Sahil Rana's left hand trapped there.
जॉर्जी यहाँ कोशिश कर रहे हैं रिवर्सल की.
Georgie's got butterflies here in this position. He's holding him very well. Look at the confidence in his face. He's not panicking at all, staying patient here. And referee Herb Dean though stepping in and saying you got to get the action moving. Oh, very nicely done.
Beautiful shots there from Sahil Rana, which draw the crowd.
I think Sahil Rana heard Herb Dean saying pick up the pace, and he certainly did pick it up.
Yes, boss.
जैसे ही हर्ब डीन ने बोला गाइस थोड़ा एक्शन दिखाओ, साहिल राणा ने वहां छोड़े कुछ पंचेस.
Good position to be in here, but Georgie needs to get out of here. Georgie needs to get out of this position immediately because he's not doing. There you go. Now he's trying to dive underneath for a leg. Now this is a very bad position here. His arm is trapped on the other side. Now he needs to try and hold on to this position here. And nice reversal by Geordie.
Stojanovic back on top.
Very, very nice. And looking for the underhook on the right hand side. You can see the instructions, you can hear the instructions from Anshul Jubilee to his teammate. Saying the side that he holds the underhook is the side he has to turn. And very good advice there, because the minute he gets the underhook on the right hand side, he scoots his hips to the left. But right now he's got a body triangle from the bottom. He's looking to lock up his limbs, and that's a very defensive position.
मात्र 30 सेकंड इस राउंड में.
20 seconds remaining in this round, like Rahul said a minute ago. Lot of action in all the fights here.
Absolutely, we haven't had a single fight that was actionless. And as we said, it's only on Matrix Fight Night. Down to the last 10 seconds of the round.
We can see the crowd cheering here.
Man, I'm so impressed by this crowd because look at that up kicks. He landed a slight up kick on Geordie, but man, both these guys are so tough. What a start to this.
Well, the first round was all about the scrambles. Let's move on to the next round. In the red corner, taking on the Serbian Wolf, Georgi Stojanovic in the blue corner.
Stevens, boys, it's a great round. It'll be very difficult to score.
For you, certainly, Arjun.
Round number 2, though, both boys stepping. Sahil Rana, though, takes the center of the cage immediately, showing a little bit more confidence. But if he wants to set up that 1 or 2, the crowd screaming Sahil.
He's certainly got to get a lot of confidence from that.
He's certainly the fan favorite here.
You got to watch out for Stojanovic. He's got some very good low kicks, and he sets up that right hand just
right
like
hand
that.
and a beautiful
kick to the body. Beautiful kick to the body there. And Rana, though, had a couple of counter-striking opportunities. Good, beautiful jab to the body. I'd like to see a lot more of that body-head combination that Anshul Jubilee is actually so famous for using.
A sharp inner leg
complete that. Anshul Jubilee is famous for using
Oh,
those combinations.
very nice right hand. Beautiful right hand over the top. Again the combinations.
बहुत ही अच्छे कॉम्बिनेशंस फेंक रहे हैं यहाँ साहिल राणा, और यहाँ पे जॉर्जी को थोड़ा सा अंदर घुस.
Just missed with that big overhand right. But this is now there's a mistake that Geordie's making. He's standing flat-footed in front of him, and if he's looking to land, Rana has reached a point where he's starting to time those kicks. Nice left hook, stepping left hook. Head kick, but blocked, beautifully blocked by Geordie. But don't let that glove fool you, boys. That shin will hurt, will go through the glove.
I should
Those are
rather
very
say
light
don't
gloves.
let that knob fool you.
Very nice leg kick by Geordie.
But you know, Geordie has been eating damage over here, but he's still charging onto the face of Sahil Rana.
Both these boys are so tough, and you know, it's both these guys are in each other's faces. The never back down attitude from these fighters here at MFN is just spectacular to watch. Beautiful right hand, left hook combination. And you can see the striking advantage in the favor of Rana. Just missed with that knee. Switches to a single.
Oh, what an excellent takedown.
Beautiful
here.
takedown there by Sahil
Gets back to
Rana.
his feet, but he's got his hands clasped Slam time, slam time, slam time.
Picked him up like a boy and threw him down onto the mat.
Look at the crowd. We can barely hear each other.
The crowd's cheering here for the Indian Sahil Rana in the red corner, who just scored a massive slam.
He scored a beautiful takedown here, but now he needs to get to work for 2.5 minutes, and he's in the great position. He's right in front of his corner with Punyajit Lukaru giving him instructions from his team, and it's just it's interesting what he can do, because Stojanovic has got an underhook on the left hand side. He's being defensive. He's got a butterfly on the right side, and
Punyajit giving commands to his teammate. Punyajit would certainly know a lot about Stoyanovic's fighting style, considering that he was his last opponent.
Precisely why he's put in that position. The interesting part here is he needs to start becoming active, because Herb Dean is looking down on the action, and if he thinks that it's not active enough, it's not enough work being done, he will warn Rana immediately.
साहिल के कॉर्नर में है पुण्याजीत लिखारू और उनको रणनीति बताते हुए
I would like Rana to actually see if he can pass guard here, because
Get on top.
that's a relatively loose guard position here. He can easily slide his foot up, but I like the way Stojanovic is moving. He's moving with him, and despite that looking like a loose open guard, you can see Stojanovic uses it for setups. Very nice, good shot to the body there. The action happening right in front of us.
Well, now Sahil also does have a free right hand. Do you think he can capitalize on that, Arjun?
No, because there's also a function of posture and control and position.
Right.
By using that hand, Stojanovic it takes a second to scramble out, and you can lose position. So what Rana is doing is actually very intelligent. Now he's got a hold of that head. That's
he's
guillotine,
going-
guillotine. Oh, big knee. And very smartly, Jordi puts his hands down, because it's illegal to land knees to a downed opponent. Nice shots to the body there. Jordi's hurt. Now but Jordi very smartly stood in that position, but he ate that knee. Kyle doing a very good job. See that knee did some damage. Beautiful
Good front kick there by
beautiful
Jordi.
deep kick.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
Beautiful over left hand there by Stojanovic.
Nice left hook there, then by Stojanovic, but left hook by Sahil Rana as well.
मात्र 15 सेकंड इस राउंड में बहुत ही बेहतरीन राउंड रहा है और साहिल राणा की रणनीति यही थी कि जॉर्जी को अपने कॉर्नर में लिया बहुत बढ़िया
That's a nice right hand. Very nice right
And
hand.
Stojanovic survives round 2. Oh, takes it down after the ring
No,
on the
that
bell.
doesn't count.
Whether you look at the takedown, whether you look at his and that is exactly where Sahil Rana has capitalized.
I don't want to say it on the air, but I will tell you. It's a lot of fighters sometimes can use the Vaseline of their faces,
Yeah.
which is used to avoid cuts, and rub it on their body against grapplers so that they can't get a clean hold of them. So these are just veteran tactics. They're not technically illegal, but it can happen.
Of course. And Arjun being one of the veteran commentators in Indian MMA.
Good
And-
sign of sportsmanship between both these men as they start the third round. That's what I love about the sport. They can be there can be so much animosity between men, and it is a brutal sport. But the amount of respect and sportsmanship I've seen in MMA, I've not seen in any other sport.
Absolutely. And you can come with your game plans, but as the great Mike Tyson has said, everyone has a plan until you get punched in the face. And that is when you gain respect for the man who is punching you in the face.
Nice, beautiful calf kicks. Good checks by Jordi though. Oh, nice left hook. Very nice left hook there a second ago. Again, an
Beautiful
overhand right.
combination of punches there by Sahil Rana.
But you can see that it's not hurting Jordi as such. But what Stojanovic really needs to understand is that these shots are scoring points, and these points will add up at the end of the fight.
Exactly. It's not only enough to absorb the strikes, you need to have strikes of your own to get the points.
Nice, very nice low calf kick there.
Ooh!
And swing and a miss by Sahil there. He's standing there. He's oh, beautiful. There you go. He needs to start taking the center again and put the pressure back on Stojanovic. Stojanovic ducking down, and Sahil Rana led that beautifully. He knew the takedown was coming. Rana now dipping down for the single there. He's got a hold of the single. He looked to kick out the other leg from underneath him. Little over 3 minutes remaining in the third and final round. And a great technical battle that we've seen here. Look at that creative little
Absolutely.
flick that Stojanovic tried.
This has
Drags him down
This has
beautifully.
been a technical masterclass from both these gentlemen.
Look at that. He's got a single leg. He's got a hook on the left hand side. Use the clinch. Use the single collar tie to drag him down. Just great technique shown by Rana here. And Stojanovic, though, trying to get out. Good reversal there.
You know what's good for Rana is the fact that he is, for a majority of this fight, has been next to his corner.
So he's again fallen down right. He's on his back. Again on top here. It's a great position to be advantageously because he's leading up 2 rounds so far. He's had the better shots, he's had the better takedowns. And right now Jordi Stojanovic needs to go for broke here because he can't be stuck in this position. He's got a unique guard here because he's not letting Rana move, but you know what? Rana is happy to be in this position. He's going to stay
Absolutely.
here. Slowly land some shots. He's got 2 minutes left in this round. He's going to land some short shots, keep peppering him and come away with the decision win. And Jordi making no attempt to scramble, no attempt to bridge, no attempt to push off the hips, try and get out of this position. And it's just, Kyle's in his corner, hearing advice. And they seem to be a happy corner so far because they're just relaxing.
And of course, it's going to take a mental toll because the entire crowd is cheering for Rana. And as we know,
no, but something like Jordi, that makes no difference because he's fought in MFN before, he's fought in India, he's fought with the promotion before. So there are a lot of fans for Jordi as well. And I think the fans that we see here in this arena tonight are not just specifically country fans. There are fans for the sport.
absolutely.
And there's a great sense of sportsmanship even from the fans towards the fighters. But see, this is veteran strategy from Rana. He doesn't need to take chances, but Stojanovic has to realize that he's got just a minute left in this round and needs to start going for broke.
इस राउंड में भी साहिल राणा सेम रणनीति अपनाते हुए अपने कॉर्नर की तरफ जॉर्जी को लेके गए हैं, ग्राउंड से डोमिनेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और मात्र 50 सेकंड बचे हैं इस राउंड में.
Jordi is running out of time and now look at the position that he's putting Jordi in. Rana is doing a great job. Jordi could look to turn towards the fence, use his legs to walk away from the fence, but it's just Rana's base. It's so solid. He's not letting Jordi get up. He's not allowing him to posture up. Now, he's just unable to get out from under this position.
Absolutely, and he's got his right hand controlling the neck of Stojanovic.
बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से यहाँ पे बेस बना रखा है.
Look at this guillotine. Did he tap? No, hang on a second. It's a guillotine attempt here. He's okay right now. He used the guillotine to get out of the position. He's trying to use it, but Jordi seems quite all right here. He's got nothing to lose in the last 10 seconds of this round. As we come to a close of this awesome fight, a great technical battle between these warriors, and I think it's clear in the eyes of the judges who the victor is.
बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन दोनों फाइटर्स का. ये थी MFN 13 की पहली इंटरनेशनल फाइट.
And I think we just wait for the final result from the judges. But what a great contest, boys.
It was an absolutely amazing
Take a look.
contest with Stojanovic landing
100 strikes landed by Rana as opposed to Stojanovic. And his power strikes were 35 to 21.
Yep. And also ground control time. Rana did manage to get under a minute of ground control time as compared to Stojanovic, who had absolutely no.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action here, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Abhishek scored the bout 29-28. Judge Manas and Daryl scored the bout 30-27, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner,